Funda bali.
Ufuna ufunda ibali wena?
Funda vita. Haya.
Sis'Bongo, multilingual minds, learning with Sis'Bongo, multilingual minds, learning with Sis'Bongo, multilingual minds.
Mala tummy.
Mala tummy, mala, 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 mala. Mala, mala tummy. Tummy, today we are going to be listening mamela. Listen is mamela. Mamela. We are going to mamela listen to a story. Chomi, do you know what a story is in isiXhosa? Yes, Chomi. Ibali. Say it. Ibali. Again. Ibali. Chomi, a story is ibali. Chomi, you are so smart. You are so kele. Okay, Chomi, let us listen to our story called Zazi. Now, the story Zazi is written by Sis'Bongo and it is also animated by Sis'Bongo. Let us start. Masi ale.
Zithande, Zazi, know who you are. Your language, your culture, shine like a star. From the roots of the earth to the skies above. You are strong, you are proud, filled with love.
I get Chomi. Once upon a time, ngenye imini, there was a girl named Zithande. Now, Zithande lived with her mother, umama, and her father, utata. They lived in a big, nkulu, beautiful house, indlu. They lived together and they were so happy. One day, Chomi, Zithande's mama and tata told her that they are going on a trip. Zithande, Chomi, was so excited. She was so excited because the trip was to go visit her grandmother uMakhulu. Zithande loved her Makhulu and she couldn't wait to go and see her. Zithande and her mama and her tata drove to Makhulu's house. Yo, I get they drove. Kuba told me drive is to Kuba. Let's drive. Beep beep. Yo, they drove all the way to Makhulu's house. When Zithande and Mama and Tata got to Makhulu's house, they were greeted by uMakhulu with so much love, Chomi. Love is uthando. They were greeted with uthando. Yo, uMakhulu grabbed them and gave them a big hug. She was so happy to see them. But Chomi, Zithande had a problem. Zithande did not speak or understand, so she couldn't mamela the language that her makhulu and grandfather is tatomkhulu and mama and tata could speak. She was listening to them speaking. She mamela them speaking and she didn't know what they were saying because Zithande only knew how to speak English. So every time her family was speaking, she couldn't hear them. Oh no, Chomi. Zithande just stood there so confused. She couldn't hear what they were saying. She was just hearing wah, 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 wah. Oh man, Zithande. Utatomkhulu came and greeted her. Molo Zithande. But Zithande couldn't hear anything. Umakhulu also came and said, "Oh, bendikukhumbula Zithande." But Zithande couldn't hear anything. Oh no, Zithande. Yo, Chomi. Even when Zithande was playing with her cousins abazala outside, she still couldn't understand what they were saying. Her boy cousin said, Iza xhuma nam Zithande. But Zithande could not understand. Her girl cousin said, Zithande, nihambe njani endleleni? Oh, kodwa Zithande still couldn't understand. And then her baby cousin said, Zithande, unjani? Oh, but Zithande still, Chomi, could not understand what her cousins were saying. Chomi, Zithande was sad. Sad is khathazekile. Zithande was khathazekile. Show me what you do when you are sad. Khathazekile. I'm so sad. I am khathazekile. So Chomi, Zithande walked to the kitchen. Walk is hamba. Let's walk with Zithande. She walked sadly to the kitchen, but she quickly had an idea. Aha! Zithande had an idea and thought, I know what I am going to do. Chomi, what do you think Zithande is going to do? What do you think Zithande is going to do, Chomi? Hey, let us see. Zithande walked up to her grandparents, umakhulu and utatomkhulu. She got to makhulu and tatomkhulu and said, Makhulu, tatomkhulu, please teach me how to speak my language. Chomi, umakhulu and tatomkhulu were so happy that Zithande wanted to learn their language, her language, the language that her great-grandparents spoke, her great-great-great-great-grandparents spoke, and her great-great-great-great-grandparents spoke. So her grandparents, umakhulu and tamkhulu, were very happy that Zithande wanted to learn how to speak her language also. I am so happy, Chomi, for Zithande. Hey, when are you happy for Zithande? I am so happy, Chomi, that she's going to finally learn how to speak her language. I get Chomi. Zithande started learning ukufunda. She started to ukufunda how to speak, which is thetha. Speak, thetha. So she started ukufunda how to thetha her language. I get Chomi. Zithande was reading books. She was talking to her mother. She was even talking to her makhulu. Makhulu sometimes laughed at the silly things Zithande was saying because she was not saying them correctly. Chomi, when you are learning a new language, kaloku, you are sometimes going to make mistakes. You are not going to perfect. You're not going to know how to speak the language the first time you try. So you are going to be making silly mistakes. And Umakulu, she found this so funny. Let's laugh with Umakulu Chomi. Oh, Zithande is so cute trying to learn her language. Chomi, Zithande was practicing how to speak her language everywhere she went, even when she was in the bathroom taking a bath. A bath is to kuhlamba, ukuhlamba. Even when she was hlamba her body, she was still practicing how to speak her language because she was so happy to be learning how to speak her language. Yeah, Chomi, when she went outside to play with her cousins Abazala, when she went outside to play with Abazala, they could mamela and hear what she was saying. They understood and they would praise her and say, "Well done! Great job, Zithande!" Chomi, let us clap for Zithande. Yay! Great job, Zithande! Zithande was so happy with herself. Happy ukuvuya. Happy ukuvuya. Chomi, Zithande even went to her father, her tata, and spoke her language. Her tata was so happy. Her tata wayevuya to hear Zithande speak their language. Chomi, because utamkhulu could see that Zithande could now speak the language, tatomkhulu taught Zithande all about her history. Zithande learned about her culture. She learned about her clan's names. She learned about all the things about her culture, where they came from, the food they ate, the things they do, the traditions they do. Chomi, Zithande was learning. Learning, funda. She was learning, and she was so happy with herself. But Chomi, guess what was also happening? Zithande was falling in love with the person that she is, and the people that she comes from, and the language that she speaks. Ay, Zithande! I am so happy for you. Ndiyavuya. Chomi, when Zithande said bye-bye to her makhulu, let's say bye-bye. Bye-bye, makhulu. When she said bye-bye to her makhulu, she was so proud of herself. Proud. Amabongo. She had amabongo about herself. She walked back to the car very excited to get back to school and tell all her friends about her language and her culture. Chomi, Zithande with her tata and mama, they made the trip back to her house. Okay, they drove. Let's drive. Beep, beep. You are so silly, Chomi. They drove all the way back home. Chomi, when Zithande got back to school, esikolweni, she called all her friends and she told them about her language and her culture and her people. Chomi, Zithande was so impressed with her culture that she even told her classmates during show and tell for Heritage Week in her classroom. Yo, Chummy, her classmates were so impressed. They were like, wow. Let's say wow. Wow. Yo, they were so impressed with Zithande's culture. She told them everything about her language, her people, the traditions they do. Oh my goodness. Even the teacher, Utichala, was so happy with Zithande's presentation. Yo, Chummy, Zithande is so bright. She is so clever. Just like you, Chummy. Chummy, Zithande was so excited to go back and tell her grandparents, Umakhulu and Tamkhulu and her cousins, Abazala, all about the things that she told her classroom. Yo, Chummy, it is so good. It is so good to Zazi. It is good to Zazi. Now go to your mama, your tata, your makhulu, your tamkhulu, your tabao, your aunt, your friends, and ask them about your culture. Ask them about your language, ask them about your traditions, and sit down and learn, and go and share it with all your friends at school. Esikolweni, Chummy. Chummy, I am so happy after reading that story. Chummy, I hope that you have an amazing Heritage Week, Chummy, and you learn all about the things that make you you. Zazi. Love you, Chummy. Sis'Bongo ukuthanda kakhulu. Bye bye. Salani kakuhle. Sis'Bongo ungithanda kakhulu. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, Chummy.
Sis'Bongo, multilingual mind, learning with Sis'Bongo. Multilingual mind, learning with Sis'Bongo. Multilingual mind, learning with Sis'Bongo.